Hey guys, how's it going? Have you ever had this problem with your mouse? The scroll wheel is not working well and is glitching whenever you trying to go down, and it's go up by itself randomly. So let's fix this mouse. First things first, you need to disassemble and unscrew everything here, and this can be applied also to the gaming mouse and the productivity mouse, every kind of mouse. And also this will fix any problem with the click buttons as well, the right click, the left click. Whenever they are glitching as well, you click them and they don't respond from the first time, so just use the screwdriver to unscrew this. It must be below here, the serial number. There will be a screw, or maybe two in some mice. So that's it, we are inside the mouse now and we can see everything. To be honest, this mouse, I have cleaned it before, so it looks so clean. But what you have to do if your mouse is doing this glitch, all you need to do is a brush and alcohol compressed air, like this one, cleaner, and you just spray some here, clean it. Or maybe you know what, we need to get this thing out of here. Yeah, that's it. So clean everything by itself here, also the clicks. And this is 100% safe. It will not destroy your mouse, even if it looks like we are destroying it. So this is the clicks. Can you hear this? Yeah, by the time these things get too loose and there is some dust inside it, so when you clean it, now after you clean this very well, you just need to put everything together again. Add the battery here, and this is the dongle that we need to connect to the PC. Maybe also we can clean it a little bit just to make sure everything is clean and ready to use. Now let's put this door in, turn on, and yeah, it's working fine. As you can see here, this thing, anyways, I don't see it. So as you can see guys, it's working fine both ways, no glitches, no lag, nothing. And the clicks here, everything looks fine. Yes. So that's it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you like the video, and if it's been useful to you, please subscribe to the channel to support me for doing more videos. I see you in the next one.